Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9986. No, 9986. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. Okay. Alright. Let me mark this with 12 printed digits. Correction. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. And for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Alright, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here, dual box, there, and here. And here. 1 and 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. Insufficient information. Here also 1 and 2. And there also 1 and 2. I need more information. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes then? Let me scan for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. If you flip the S, you will get the Z. But it's the same shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. I believe the T shape is missing here. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. I think this box will be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be a 2. should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. Okay, then these 3 boxes. So around the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, that means that this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. We have double 3 there. And this box can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. I think this box will be a 5 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Give me 2. We have a double 2 there. Give me 3. Give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 5. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 in this L shape area. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left and 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. So these 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. Then this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Think. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2. 3. 3 there. In this area, we need a 1. Here can be 1. We have a 1 over there, so no 1 there. Oh, this should be a 1 and a 2. It's connected with each other. Well, it can be a 1 because we already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4 now. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. This box can be 2. This box can also not be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, which is a 2 and a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction is supposed to be there. 2, 4, 3. Need to think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5 because if it's connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 in the same area. So this box can be 5, that box should be a 5, should be. And 1 box left for number 3 is connected with that box. So 3. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area. For number 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 and this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3, and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2 then. Is connect with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Mark those 2 boxes elevator 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 5. We have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there then. Well, okay, yeah. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appeared. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 is left in this area. But number 3, I think this box should be a 1. Because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. And if eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And if eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this double U area shape for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 13 minutes. Well. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.